Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is one of 4 that shows the making of the steering system that will operate our beloved Nashorn. All parts are custom made since we are using a modern driveline, so there are no parts available. Some parts will be changed or improved along the way as I find out what works or doesn't. First I made brackets for the bearings. These will be bolted to strips that will be welded to the floor of the Nashorn. The rings and tubes were turned on a lathe by a friend who is already in his 80s and still going strong. The small diameter tubes are turned down a bit in order to install the bearings, but I made a mistake on a few, so they had to be reworked. The long assembly with the two tubes is for the steering sticks, together with the one directly in front of it. The shortest one is for the clutch. The two tubes I'm holding will become the sticks. Here I am installing the short assembly for the clutch system. If you have suggestions for videos or improvements, let me know in the comments. If you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you at Millitracks 2020 when we will drive around with the Nashorn.